action. The bulls showed up today on the last read with full gusto. The benchmark indices closed almost 1.5% in the green, with the Nifty managing to recapture that 8,700 mark very comfortably at that. The mid-caps continued to outperform and ended at a record closing high today. The Bank Nifty too rose over 300 points by the end of the day, and the volatility index today, however, slipped 10% and thus closed below its 200-day moving average. Nigel D'Souza is here to decode the market action further for us. Nigel, the bulls were in complete control today. Good start to the week.
Well, I'll put it as no hangover really for the bulls. They did fairly well in today's trading session. If you bought the Nifty at any point of time, you would make money. So the Nifty ended at the high point of the day, which was good news. The cash market volumes as well were fairly high. And as you said, there was definitely a mid-cap party that played out. 7 stocks were advancing for every 1 stock that was declining on the NSE. That's telling you that the breadth of the market was very good. Let's start off with the biggest positive today. The auto stocks, they did very, very well. Maruti delivered its best ever monthly sales numbers. That stock, in fact, ended virtually at the high point of the day. Hero MotoCorp as well delivered good numbers. Highest ever sales were there as well. And Eicher Motors continues to thump around with a growth of around 30% in terms of their Royal Enfield sales. When the markets were on fire, valuations really, they get thrown out of the window. So just take a look at some of the biggest gainers today. We had Z, Asian Paints as well as Innocent Bank. By no stretch of imagination, these stocks are cheap. Z and Asian Paints trading at more than 40 times its forward earnings, while Innocent Bank trades at roughly around 2.7 to around 3 times price to book. But there were a few losers today, and TCS, even on such a strong day, that stock, in fact, did see selling pressure. And the 3 stocks that are up for you on the screen, those were the only 3 losers from the Nifty pack. Let's take you through the mid-cap gainers then. Hindustan Zinc, stock was on fire today. Credit Suisse came up with a note. They upped the target price. That stock did well. Jain Irrigation as well did see a big run post gaining a big order as well. We're talking about that big Rafael deal, and a couple of stocks really, they were sensing their opportunities. So Reliance Infra, that stock was up and about in trade. Reliance Defense as well did end with gain of close to around 8 to around 8.5%. A certain clutch of stocks did well. So cement stocks, particularly from the South India space, where India Cements did quite well. Rain Industries, Sagar Cement, NCL Industries, all of them put on between 8 to around 10%, telling you that, in fact, we did see big returns on some of these cement companies. You pull up a few of those media-related stocks as well. Remember, the media index was at a lifetime high. So we had a few of those stocks. Sun TV did very well in today's trading session. Dish TV as well was on fire. And Mukta Arts, in fact, at one point of time, the stock was locked in upper circuit with a gain of around 20%. But in Friday's trading session, some of these liquor-related stocks, they had a big run. Today, they came in for profit booking because the word over the weekend was that Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is not going to go down without a fight. So we had profit booking on the likes of United Spirits as well as Global Spirits. Short point being, from the time we did see a drop on the Nifty post those surgical strikes, the Nifty has recovered close to around 75% of those losses. Back to you.